be explored. Welcome to the boundless realm of digital illustration, a realm where your imagination takes flight and your ideas come to life. First things first, your tools. A digital tablet and a versatile software such as Procreate or Photoshop are your canvases and brushes. Sketch out your initial idea, keeping it simple, easy, and open to interpretation. Remember, in the digital world, layers are your best friends. They divide your elements, making editing as breezy as a walk in the park. Now comes the fun part, colors and details. Explore the vast array of brushes and textures at your disposal. Experiment, mix, and match until you find the perfect blend that speaks to you. Finally, the moment of truth, saving and exporting your masterpiece. Ensure you choose the right format to maintain the quality of your hard work. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to the exciting world of digital illustration. So go forth, create, inspire, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Your canvas awaits.